To feed the big SUV market with big power, Nissan stuffs every Armada with a 400 horsepower V8. That gives even the base model plenty of scoot, and it comes with an impressive 8,500 pound towing capacity. Offered in either rear or four-wheel drive, the Armada is a three-row barge of entertainment and poshness. At the upper edge of the Armada trim levels, quilted leather heated seats, headrest-mounted display screens, and open-pore wood trim pieces give this Nissan a bit of Bentley energy. Recent updates have gifted the Armada with more power and freshened-up styling, but there's no avoiding the fact big power requires solutions by the gallon. While it's not the best of the Mondo SUV bunch when compared to the Chevy Tahoe, Jeep Wagoneer, or Ford Expedition, the Armada's style and powerful engine make it strikingly charming. After the Armada received a major refresh for 2021, the 2023 Nissan SUV's changes are subtle. Nissan adds Amazon Alexa to Armada SV, SL, and Platinum. Remote start, LED fog lights, and an auto-dimming rearview mirror have all been added as standard equipment for Armada SV. The 2023 Armada SL adds a heated steering wheel to its bevy of standard luxuries. We think the SL trim is the best value. In addition to all the desirable standard features it inherits from the base SV model, it comes with a 13-speaker Bose audio system, 20-inch rims, leather interior appointments, a power liftgate, a heated steering wheel, and a sunroof. The SL also unlocks the optional second-row captain's chairs, which we'd add. Engine, transmission, and performance. A powerful 5.6-liter V8 with a civilized 7-speed automatic transmission is the Armada's only powertrain. The engine, which gained 10 horsepower and 19 pound-feet of torque in 2021, makes 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque on premium fuel. It pairs with either rear or four-wheel drive. We haven't track-tested an Armada with the revised V8, but we have driven one and appreciated its effortless thrust. Despite its large proportions, the Armada drove surprisingly well thanks to its fully independent suspension, but its handling doesn't match that of the nimbler Chevrolet Tahoe and GMC Yukon. Our test vehicle had a smooth and hushed ride even though it rolled on 22-inch wheels, 18 inches are standard. Its soft riding nature didn't negatively affect our sense of control, but its steering was imprecise and slow to react, which allowed the SUV to wander on the highway like a member of its Spanish namesake. The maximum towing capacity for the 2023 Nissan Armada is a hefty 8,500 pounds. That's true for rear and four-wheel drive models alike. That's not as much as the Jeep Wagoneer, but it's above rivals such as the Chevy Suburban and Tahoe. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. All Armadas are powered by the same V8 engine and automatic transmission, a combination that makes the Nissan less fuel efficient than most of its rivals. The EPA estimates the rear-drive version will earn 14 miles per gallon in the city and 19 on the highway. Adding four-wheel drive into the mix reduces both numbers by 1 mile per gallon. Once we can run one on our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, we can evaluate its real-world MPG. Interior, comfort, and cargo. A cushy and spacious interior supplements the Armada's classy outer shell. Its cabin is well insulated from outside noise, and most materials are attractive and soft. The Armada has 3 rows of seats and can accommodate up to 8 passengers, but capacity drops to 7 with the optional second-row captain's chairs. These fold easily and quickly with a handle that springs the seat forward. Resetting the seat must be done manually, however. The power-folding third row, standard on the SL and up, can be raised and lowered via buttons in the cargo area or on the third row's armrests, but snails move faster. Compared with newer rivals, the Armada feels equally fancy, if not fancier, but its third-row legroom isn't as generous. The top-of-the-line Platinum model has quilted seat surfaces and imitation open-pore wood trim, accentuating the luxury SUV ambience. Infotainment and connectivity. Every Armada features a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with rotary controls for volume and tuning. The unit sprouts from the top of the center stack and comes with built-in navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, subscription required, standard Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay, and wireless smartphone charging. The mid-level SL model adds a 13-speaker Bose audio system, and the top-of-the-line Platinum trim features a rear seat entertainment system with dual 8.0-inch screens. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.